The WOLFBOX G850 PRO mirror dashcam feels like a serious upgrade over standard dashcams because it combines a full-width rear-view mirror with front and rear camera recording, smart safety features, and a clean touchscreen experience. Right out of the box, it works as a normal mirror, but once powered on, it transforms into a high-resolution display with swipe controls to switch views and adjust camera angles in real time. Installation is straightforward using adjustable straps over your existing mirror, with the option to hardwire the rear camera to your reverse light for automatic backup view when reversing. The system includes GPS tracking, lane departure warning, forward collision alerts, and adjustable safety sensitivity, all managed directly from the touchscreen or companion app. Video quality is sharp during the day and solid at night, with loop recording, G-sensor impact locking, voice control, and parking mode support via an optional hardwire kit. The mobile app makes it easy to preview footage, download clips, and save videos directly to your phone. Overall, the WOLFBOX G850 Pro delivers a clean, modern dashcam experience that blends safety, convenience, and strong video performance into one sleek mirror setup.